you got me with these guys. Oh,
Ryobi gadget did the job pretty well.
the bird bath. Ready to rock and roll, ready to roll. What to do, the ice to shift. What now?
Looks more like a man rock. Look at that man rock. Hey, yours. Come on in.
Oh, but mine is so much prettier. Woo, let's rock and roll up in here. Ta-da! Check this out. So we've been starting to use the smooth pads. So we've got some smooth, silky softness. Success, baby.
Success, but there's still some big grooves in there, but I think we're going to leave them because they're only bird baths.
And they're homemade.
And this is like job one. Next steps. Next up, we're going to do sinks. Look at that little hoppy up there, birdie. Whee! They are sweet. So, remember, don't like and subscribe. Don't hit that little bell. Because I don't care. I just want to film this action. This is phase one. This is looking sweet as anything. Until next time, we're going to do some sinks. So stay tuned, mother truckers.